So here is the easiest way, in my view, to use Midjourney, the AI software program for generating art via text-based prompts, to either sell NFTs or to build your brand and business. So what we're doing, very simply, and again, for those of you who haven't seen the videos I've done on this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace. You can see some of the videos on my YouTube channel and others in our course community. But essentially what we're doing is using these pieces of generative art, or art that's generated by dint of this piece of software, and then we're using these as collections that we're giving away to folks who are going to participate in our community in a more fulsome way. So I'm not selling the art per se. I know people are doing that. I don't necessarily feel that this is the kind of art I want to be selling. So what we're using these as tokens to give access and experiences to our courses, to our community, and to give folks ultimately ownership in the underlying asset that we're building, which is a publishing platform for inspirational authors and enlightened entrepreneurs. So folks get this piece of art that we generate that's pretty cool, it's pretty trippy, psychedelic, and they can use that to get access to all sorts of other products, programs, content, and courses, even coaching within our community. That's what I recommend, and that's